In a world driven by stories and shaped by communication, the School of Media Studies and Humanities at Manav Rachna is your gateway to unlocking the power of expression. Unravel the secrets of visual storytelling, digital communication, media production, and mastering the tools to craft compelling narratives in today's dynamic landscape. From the intricacies of language and literature to the dynamic world of journalism and mass communication, the curriculum is crafted to include essential skills like critical thinking and ethical reasoning, preparing you for the digital age. The School of Media Studies and Humanities is your creative playground, equipped with cutting-edge technology and facilities, including advanced language labs, audio-visual production labs, production studio, and our very own campus radio station.
Our focus is on making our students employable by the end of their degrees, to be industry ready not only with their comprehension and critical thinking, but also through their ability to navigate through technology and skills. And this holds good both for the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication and the Department of English. With a team of faculty members which has expansive experience in industry and academia, we teach our students to look beyond textbooks and classrooms and learn through live projects, immersive sessions, and multiple internships to find answers to real-world challenges.
With real-world experiences through industry partnerships, internships, and live projects, the immersive exposure ensures that you are ready not just for the job market, but are poised to redefine it. Join a vibrant community where creativity meets collaboration. Participate in film festivals, literature workshops, and media exhibitions.
I have come to find as a student of the Department of English that apart from the courses offered or the classes taken, top-notch events like student presentations, class presentations, and paper presentations also help me appreciate the applied learning that goes into English and helps me gain a greater, wider, deeper understanding of the subject and the language that I'm actually studying about.
For the budding authors and scholars, the school offers a fertile ground for growth. Participate in national and international conferences where you can present your research, engage with fellow intellectuals, and contribute to the global dialogue in your field. Our alumni network is a testament to our excellence. Graduates from the School of Media Studies and Humanities are shaping the future of media, literature, and the arts nationally and internationally.
Hi, I'm Jaspreet Singh. I'm a multimedia producer at The Quaint. Before this, I was working as a sub-editor at the Times of India, Chandigarh. That was right after I finished my graduation here at Manav Rachna. So it's a very practical oriented course. A lot of theory classes were also happening, but then there were a lot of industry visits, a lot of practical master classes. And I still remember actually the first time when we visited the NDTV studios. My parents weren't as supportive at first of me joining the industry, but I remember when my dad saw me on TV, he was calling up all the relatives that, see, my son is there. So over and all, it was a very fun-filled and very amazing experience for me. So I think overall, I loved my 3 years at Manav Rachna.
With us, it's not just about acquiring knowledge. It is about honing the skills to shape narratives that resonate with the world.